Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make salad masala. Start by gathering spices: roasted cumin, coriander, black pepper, red chili flakes, amchur, chopped masala, and salt. Lightly roast whole seeds, then grind to a coarse powder for texture. Taste and adjust for salt, acidity, and heat. Store in an airtight jar away from light to keep flavors bright and ready to sprinkle on any salad. Gather a skillet, spice grinder, measuring spoons, and a jar for storage so you can work efficiently. Preheat the skillet and roast seeds and whole spices in small batches until aromatic, watching closely. Let the spices cool on a tray to avoid steam during grinding. Pulse in the grinder to your preferred coarseness, then sieve if you want a finer blend. Label your jar so you remember your custom ratio. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you stand at the stove. It pairs nicely with all-day meal prep and keeps your feet happy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Measure spices using simple ratios to keep consistency and tweak over time, starting with 2 parts cumin and 1 part coriander. Add 1/2 part red chili flakes and 1/4 part amchur for balanced heat and tang. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and chopped masala to boost umami and brightness. Mix thoroughly, taste on a small salad, then adjust for spice, salt, or acidity until it sings for your palate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.